Today on the Lazy Geckos.
How about we just hide in here all day from all the kids?
Honey.
I feel it. I feel the
You're using way too many amps over there.
We're waiting on a weather window for a passage and we're going a little nuts.
I'm always using too many amps. You just have to give up on it.
In the meantime, we'll try to stay busy.
Look at that. I mean, that's ridiculous.
Are you ready? Let's do it.
What are you doing?
Oh, just flipping through my phone, looking at the amps you're using.
Oh my gosh.
I was just looking at the
Earlier
amps.
on camera, you said you were going to start editing a video, and that has yet to happen.
I'll do it. I was just looking, trying to look at the power and amps and all that. And as soon as I started messing with it, the sun went away. So now we're only pulling like 190 watts.
What do you think? One of the panels is down?
No, I think, well, I just found a bunch of bird shit on the panel, and shade can affect it. If one little cell gets shaded, the whole thing goes down.
I don't know. You look pretty lazy. You're just laying in bed.
Yeah, I'm pondering. Life choices. Honey.
I feel it. I feel the
You're using way too many amps over there. We're using 23 amps, and we're down to 58%. I just wanted to tell you you're using too many amps.
I'm always using too many amps. You just have to give up on it.
All right.
I'm gonna do some cleaning, get a little workout in. I assume since you napped the afternoon away, you're not working. Or you're gonna start working as soon as like the baby's done napping, and then I'll like have the baby to take care of. You'll be like, I'm working.
That sounds pretty good.
We're supposed to grill chicken tonight, so hopefully it stops raining. I have that marinating. I have lots of little things going on. I'm gonna grab the GoPro so I can show it, because it sucks when you talk about it and you can't show it.
Okay, well, don't let me bother you. I just wanted to tell you you're using too many amps.
Sorry, you told me after the upgrade I don't have to worry about this. It seems like I'm worrying about it a whole lot more.
It just needs solar.
These days can be really boring. I don't like getting bored, so I try to keep going. What better way than cleaning the boat?
I do a little bit each day, like a section. So yesterday I did the bathroom, and today I'm just dusting this whole part of the boat. For some reason, our boat gets really, really dusty. I don't know if your boat does, but if it does, please comment below and tell me, because it'll make me feel better about how dusty our boat gets. My slew of diapers. Now we have a baby. So she has taken over my fun little area where I usually put all my jewelry. I just did a deep clean on the boat a couple weeks ago because I knew we were taking off. It's crazy. But I just kind of, you know, run my cloth over all the wood. We have a lot of woods. I can't just sit there and do nothing like my husband's doing today. Did you hear that, honey? He didn't hear me. He's being lazy.
Good morning from your nap, dear. Hello,
Mine?
dear.
Because I don't nap. Are you talking to me or her?
The messy little haired baby girl here.
Well, it's sweaty. She's sweaty.
Hi. Good morning. Say hi. Do you see yourself in the front? Oh, she does. All right, well, I'm going to go replace the speakers in the cockpit. They're gone to crap again.
Why does that keep happening?
They are known to do that. Sony Marine speakers, they only last about 2 years.
Oh, really?
But I have spares on board.
How much are they?
I don't know.
This will be the second time we've replaced these speakers. We'll eventually get something else, but we had spares, so let's use them.
All right, you hear that? That's how it sounds first. All right, let's see how they sound after we replace them.
Don't you just hate those YouTube maintenance videos that take forever to get through the maintenance? That's not how we do it. Edit it up, baby.
I mean, this is what happens with these Sony speakers. It just disintegrates. It's crazy. It's wrong. Look at that. I mean, that's ridiculous. And then the new version. Okay, you're gonna be the tester. You're going out there and tell me if it sounds any better.
Okay.
Hopefully it does.
Way better. Way better.
Later, the captain finally got busy.
See your screen there?
Yeah?
Watch it.
This is the screen for our Victron charging system, and it's selecting stuff on its own.
You know what's happening there?
Somebody's operating it.
Yeah, Dave is on it by remote through our Starlink.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that cool? Because I don't think we're getting like full solar, so he's going through the system checking it for me. And he
That's
could change
really
it on
cool.
everything. Yeah, he could do that in the middle of the ocean if you needed to.
That's crazy.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
We might not be getting as much solar as we could be, so I asked Dave to take a look. So he's going through this real time via Starlink and checking all of our stuff.
Morale seems a little low on the boat today for everybody. So this is day 3 of waiting for our window. There does appear to be a very small window if you're a motorboat, not a sailing boat. At the end of it, we would get some pretty high easterly winds, and we'd be hobby horsing into it for the last few hours, and there's no room for error, and there's lots of squalls out there today, so it wouldn't be just a straight line. We'd be zigzagging, trying to miss the squalls, so not gonna work. We're gonna go have some fun at the beach, maybe grab some lunch off the boat. I'm kind of sick of cooking 3 meals a day plus snacks. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I love it. And I am gonna throw on my Tiny Triangles bikini. Jeremiah, his morale is also low, so I'm hoping this helps a little bit. My favorite color. And I always feel like with the shimmer, it's kind of mermaidy. Like, it goes with the boat theme. Cute. And I'm gonna need blue sunglasses. There we go. All right, we're gonna go say hi to Jeremiah in the generator compartment. I hear him working up there, and see if we can't make him happy again, right?
Oh yeah, the getting nautical people. That's cool.
Yeah.
Be
You want me to
careful.
go down first, or you go down
Yeah,
first?
go ahead. Or I'll go.
You go down first. That's quite the tool set you got.
The captain is tearing into our Cummins Zonin generator. He's trying to figure out why it's been running so hot.
Look, just step right here and there you go.
How about,
Have you ever even been in here?
yeah, how about we just hide in here all day from all the kids?
That sounds like a good idea.
Coming up,
Generator's running a little hot.
I came down here to build your morale.
we'll spice things up.
Oh my, you're sweaty.
You can't really see if the water's flowing.
Woo, we're rocking.
Then we'll finally get off the boat.
Looks like we found the restaurant.
We'll visit a little local spot before taking Taco to an island for the afternoon.
I feel like everybody's already a little happier.
This is exactly what the doctor ordered.
Woo, bugs. My body's being kissed by the sun, and that's exactly what I needed.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.